Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Fumilayo Tobo from Bet Media, and today we'll be talking about QR codes. QR codes, you've probably seen them. You've seen them in ads, in flyers, in menu, and even on your favorite products. Today we'll find out what exactly they are and how you can generate your own QR code for your business, for your website, for your YouTube, for your Instagram, for whatever you want to generate a QR code for. I would show you the quick and easy step to do that. Shall we begin? So what are QR codes? QR codes or quick response codes are two-dimensional barcode that can store information in a square pattern. They were first invented in Japan in the year 1994, but it wasn't until the widespread use of smartphones that made QR code become popular worldwide. With just a scan from your phone camera, QR code can direct you to websites, social media profile, payment pages, and even help you save important contact information. So why are QR codes important, you might ask? First of all, QR codes are incredibly convenient. Instead of typing in a long URL or scrolling through social media searching for a business profile, you can easily scan the code and get redirected instantly. This saves time and effort, especially if you're on the go. QR code can also be used for contactless payments, which has become increasingly popular due to the pandemic. Many businesses have adopted the QR code payment system to minimize physical contact and increase safety for their consumer. QR code has also become a very important marketing tool. They can be added to almost any marketing material, such as flyers, posters, and business cards. When someone scans the code, they are directed to a landing page with more information about your business or product, and this helps engage your audience and increase conversion. So now, let me show you how you can generate your own QR code using Canva. Now to the computer. So here we are on the Canva website and we will be generating QR codes. So if you go to the design spotlight on the marketing, you can see QR code generator. So we'll click on that and then it opens the QR code page and we would like to generate a QR code. We click that and then it opens a new window where we want to use it in a new design. We don't have any existing design yet. So you can choose whether you want it in a video, a Facebook post, a logo, but let's do for document. And there we have the page opened. Here we want to use this and then we want to enter a URL. So enter URL. URL is www.betmedia.com. You can enter any URL. You can link this to your YouTube page, to your Etsy store, to your Instagram page, just whatever you want your client or your consumer to see when they scan on this QR code. And then we generate our QR code. And there you have it. If you scan on this code right now, it will take you directly to our Bet Media website. So there you can share it, you can download it. You can download it as PDF standard because we chose document, so that's why it is a PDF standard. If you choose other options like a Facebook post or Instagram post, so this is for Facebook post, and then we enter the same URL betmedia.com and then generate. You can adjust the size however you want, and then when you click on share and download, you see you can then download it in different formats that you want. So I want it as a PNG, and then I click on download, and there I have it downloaded. Simple, easy to use. You can add it to whatever you want it to, wherever you want it, and that's it. So there you have it, an easy, fast and simple way to generate your QR code. Will you be generating a QR code for your business? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.